Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
As far as you said that a lot of fans have been asking you about season 3 kab aayega, this, that, etc. With each and every passing season, because the love and adulation that keeps on growing, with the season 1 mein jo tha, it kept on increasing further and further. But does it also add any additional pressure ki nahi yaar, people now have an idea what they can expect from my end? So does it additionally kind of give out the pressure ki now I have to live up to the expectations?
There's no pressure. Because I've been shooting for Dilli Tumhe since the day I stepped into this career, kind of like I grew here, so I kind of know Palak. It's very close to me. But every season, it's a different. How do I say? Like it's a different. There are different emotions, different struggles of this person, which I have not faced in my life. So I make sure that when I come back in this season, of course, the good thing is that we have breaks. These 4, 5, 6 months of break, you learn so much. You see so many things, and then you kind of have a different approach towards the same character, right? So वो होता है कि यार इस बार आना है और इस बार भी फाड़ना है. Like वो वाली चीज हमेशा होती है कि मतलब अगर मुझे कुछ फील हुआ है तो वो मेरी ऑडियंस को फील होना चाहिए. वो वाली ज़ील हमेशा होती है और हर बार और बढ़ जाती है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स नई चीज भी होती है मेरे पास करने के लिए. अगर मुझे सेम चीज करने के लिए बोलेंगे शायद तो मेरे लिए उतना मुश्किल होगा. हर बार मेरे पास डिफरेंट स्ट्रगल, डिफरेंट इमोशंस होते हैं. वो कैरेक्टर ग्रो कर रहा होता है अपनी लाइफ में, तो आपको भी बहुत कुछ करने मिलता है. सो प्रेशर नहीं होता, बट हाँ एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि यार ये शो को ना बड़ा प्यार मिलता है और ये मेरा बहुत क्लोज शो है, तो इसके लिए मैं करूंगी.
But I love the positivity because that's all that takes an individual forward. So when you say the things like this, it only reflects your positive mindset. मेरे पास आपके लिए कुछ सवाल है. It's basically a never have I ever segment. ठीक है? So I'm pretty sure it's going to be all the way more fun when you play it from your car. Can you hear me? I think there's some network issue. Is it fine? You can hear me?
Yeah. What was your? Yeah. Now I can.
Yeah, perfect. So it's basically abhi maza aane wala, you're traveling, so it's all the way more spontaneous. I'll begin the first question. Okay. Never have I ever taken money from my parents citing a fake reason during childhood. Have you done that?
Of course I have. Of course I have.
How nice and honest.
Especially books के नाम पे लिया है मैंने तो.
Guys, don't take this idea. She's just sharing her, fun experiences. आप कुछ और.
I never bought books.
Okay. Never have I ever faked my marks in school or college. कभी किया है इस लेवल का काम?
Never. अच्छे मार्क्स ही आते हैं.
You were always a very
बिना पढ़े थे. Yeah, I was.
वो हम जैसे लोगों के लिए. For people like you with goody marks all the time, they don't need to do all that, na? You need to do this when you are.
Anyway, I never wanted to be a topper. I was always like, whatever I'm understanding, whatever I can get from this, I will do that.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Never. Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever stalked an ex on social media.
I have.
Cool.
I have.
It's a very honest answer. I would have been surprised if you would have said no. Thank you so much for being honest over there. Okay. So never have I ever, and I hope your friends are not listening to this, never have I ever purposely not picked up a call to avoid someone.
I have.
Very normal thing, huh?
Yeah, this is
that everybody doesn't have
a human. I'm not Palak here. I'm Yogita here. Palak नहीं करती है, पर Yogita करती है.
Yeah.
Sometimes you cannot talk to that person at that moment, and you just avoid it. It's
simple as that.
Okay.
Yeah. It's all situational at the end of the day. Never have I ever been caught cheating during an examination. Have you ever been caught cheating?
Yeah. I have. बहुत amazing stories है मेरे पास इन सब चीजों
में. So the next one is never have I ever had a crush on my teacher.
I have had a crush on my teacher. Not like teacher, but like mentor. I would say.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Very normal.
Yeah.
If you can have it, I can have it. Everyone can have it. Normal, very normal.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is interesting. Never have I ever danced my heart out in the middle of a night when I'm all alone in the room.
Oh, I have. It's so much fun.
Yes.
Lockdown में every day when if I would feel कि कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ, I would take a shower, and
Yeah.
I've had my concerts.
Yeah. Live concerts, performer Yogita, audience Yogita, everything is Yogita. क्या बात?
Yes.
Okay. Second last question for you, Yogita. Never have I tried learning a new language.
No, I haven't tried. Like I would try learning Urdu, Punjabi, ऐसे वो सब किया है.
अब वो तो
कि
थोड़ा
अच्छा ये
थोड़ा हो
word
गया,
कैसे
but
बोलते हैं?
I'm
हाँ,
thinking-
ऐसे properly I've never tried. No.
Cool. Interesting. ये सवाल पूछने में मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. The last question is कि never have I ever cancelled a date at the last moment. Has Yogita Bihani done that? The nation wants to know. Oh my God, your network has kind of vanished in the most important question of the segment.
Shit. काफी लंबा pause था. Sorry.
I-
Yeah, now I can hear you. Sorry,
I
guys.
was just saying your network kind of vanished in the most important question of the segment. I repeat
Okay.
the question. Lastly, never have I ever cancelled a date at the last moment. Has Yogita Bihani done that? So what was the excuse that you said? The excuse that you gave at that point of time?
Actually ना, it's a very
Yeah.
I don't know how, but जब मैं कुछ चाहती हूँ वो अपने आप हो जाता है. So I didn't want to go
Yeah.
on this date, and my battery died, and I couldn't
Yeah.
even inform that person, and I couldn't go on
Yeah.
that date. So it's fine. Like कई बार आप बोल देते हो ना, आप realize नहीं करते, but आपको बाद में लगता है कि नहीं यार ये अगर दिल ही नहीं कर रहा है जाने का तो क्या point है. So जब vibe ही नहीं आ रही है
Yeah.
तो क्या point है. तो मेरा phone ही अपने आप off हो गया था, and I couldn't find my charger, and things happened.
Yeah.
So I think this is how it is.
Absolutely. Well, vibe is the hype. So if there's no vibe, there's no hype, then there's no point.
No.
So
No.
बहुत मजा आया मुझे. I think when it comes to the segment, and I wish you all the best for season 3.
Thank you
Season 4,
so much.
season 300
I
तक जाए.
hope.
And may I see you soon when the lockdown and everything gets over. Take care, stay safe, and lastly, a message for all the fans before you leave.
Yes, thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so many people, and it's like they've all messaged so much. Hi,
Yeah.
hi, everybody. Love you so much. I've had such a great time shooting for Dil Hi To Hai, and I hope you guys love it as much as we loved shooting for it, and just keep giving us love. Thank you.
Absolutely, guys. So whenever the season 3 is coming out, please ensure that you watch it and shower her with double, triple ऐसे करके जितना चाहे love ज्यादा दो.
जितना चाहे.
जितना चाहे ज्यादा दो. शो को तो उसको दो. Give it your best. Take care, everyone. That's a wrap today on IWM Buzz. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Yogita. बहुत मजा आया.
Thank
Take
you so
care
much.
and
Had a great time with you. Yeah, actually.
बहुत बहुत मजा आया. Thank you so
I
much.
had
Take care.
a
Stay in
really
touch.
nice ride.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.